This is Eartha Baca, and I want to help you with some do's, some thumbs up. Definitely do this for your Facebook page. If you're in a network marketing business, you must have these do's. All right, here's number one. Do not be a billboard site. Go look at my other video and don't be a billboard. Be a person. Okay, so the first thing you're going to want to do is change your profile picture to a very nice picture of your face. Not of your company's logo or some, like a cat or a dog or something. It's like, okay, that's all fine and dandy. Save that for your page, but for your profile picture, make it a really cool picture of you. Now, if you're selling makeup or, you know, whatever you're selling, you know, make yourself look nice. If you're going to represent beauty. If you're a lifestyle person, you know, make your picture fit you, but it doesn't have to be the full body thing. Just kind of make it like what you see right here, like cheese. Okay, one of those. Okay, that's a do. Now you're gonna leave that picture for quite a while because what you're gonna wanna do is brand yourself, and that's part of it. So that's a must and that's a do for your profile picture. The next, your cover photo. Do not make it about your product or your business. Make it something inspirational, something kind of like open-aired, like kind of a picture of a beach or a motivational quote or something really nice and easy to look at. Don't make it like when people first see your page, they want to see you. All right, your friends and family, even though they know you personally, they still want to check in on you and see what you're doing. They don't want to check in on an ad, you know. So make it inspirational, make it about you, make it motivational. For the people who don't know you, they're like, oh wow, this person's cool, you know, I kind of like where they're at, this is kind of cool. That's like you answering the door and the first impression, that's their first impression of you. So a really nice profile picture and an awesome cover photo that is not product, not your business. Something motivational or like open or airy, kind of inspirational. Okay, the next do post about 3 times a day. That's it. There's a saying, don't bleed the feed. Don't bleed the feed. You're excited about your product and you want to go bam, 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 bam. Don't. Now hold yourself back, you know, go out, go get your wiggles out somewhere else, but don't do it online because that's annoying. And look at my other video. You don't want to be a billboard. You want to be a person. Okay, there are key times to post. Between 6 and 8 a.m. when people are awake and getting up and they're checking in on their computer. Either they're starting their day as a work-at-home person or they're going to go off to their job and now they're getting ready. So between 6 and 8 a.m. put a post and make it something like, make that post something inspirational, like have an awesome day, you know, don't quit, you know, stay focused, something inspirational, something like, man, you know, no matter what anyone says, you know, you can do it, something like that. The second post in the afternoon around lunchtime, so somewhere between 12 and 2, another post. Make that one relevant to your business or your product, but not your business or your product. So like if I'm going to represent you know, beauty products, I might put up a tutorial video on how to like rock your lashes, how to rock your mascara, how to, you know, get that cat eye eyeliner thing. And it doesn't have to be my video because I'm not like a makeup, like I don't do all that, like those crazy videos on YouTube. I just go and find a really cool one and share it. And don't be afraid to share someone else's video. No one wants to see you the whole time too. I mean, other people, it's kind of cool. They're like, ah, she's stuck up. No, I'm just kidding. It's not about you being stuck up, but people just want to see other things. Okay, the next post is somewhere between, I would say 6 and maybe 8:30 at night. That's after people got home, they got their dinner on, you know, they've pretty much taken care of the kids, they're online for a minute, and now you put up another post. This could be, again, something relative to you personally. You know, make something funny, do something silly, something sarcastic. A piece of the news, I mean, is a great one to piggyback on something that's going on, like an event, or, I mean, it could be silly. It could be like Paris Hilton, or, you know, who wore it best? And your post could be controversial. It could be like, oh, I can't believe that's our news today. Who wore the best dress? You know, something to engage people and engage their thoughts and engage their comments. And it's not about product. Remember, it's not about product. If you're still up and you really feel the need to post again, try to post around 10 o'clock and just make it short and sweet and simple and just kind of like, hey friends, you know, have a good night if you want to do something like that. So the more people you engage with and the more people that feel like they can engage with you, you're on the right track, because network marketing is about networking with people. It's not about being a product. It's not about being a billboard. It's about being a person. And when a person feels like you're a person to them, they're more likely to buy from you and support you and even join your business. And the perfect example of that is I threw my first online virtual party with the company that you'll see down below. I just don't want to say it in the billboard or in the video because I don't want it to be about that, because you're going to have your own business, or you might be in my business. We'll see. All of the people that bought from my first virtual party were, seriously, no joke, my friends. People I've known for like 5, maybe almost to 10 years. And I thought that was interesting because I had added maybe about 600 people to my group, to my party group, and there was like only my close friends that knew me, because it was a trust thing. They trusted me. They know I'm not gonna lie, I don't have snake oil here. It's like, if I'm gonna throw this and add them to my party and invite them to buy a product, they trust me. Well, they trust me because they know me. So how does it happen with complete strangers online? You have to build that rapport. You have to build that online sort of like presence and be genuine and be you. Again, that's why you don't want to be a billboard, because it won't do you any good. You'll be spinning your wheels and you'll be frustrated. So be a people person, rock it out, you know, do what you need to do. And, you know, when people put a comment or a like on your post, go check out their page. If they're not your friend yet, add them as your friend. You know, go look at one of their pictures and go, oh wow, hey, you know, wow, I really like your dress. That's really pretty on you. You know, that's not creepy. that's being a friend. That's engaging, you know, and, you know, just being honest, not being fake either. I mean, if you really like the dress, say you like the dress. If you don't, you know, pick another picture that you can be genuine with. So anyway, those are some major do's, and this is kind of this ended up being longer than I intended, but it's really, really important. I don't want you to spin your wheels and get all burnt out. And if you're on my team, I want you to know these things, and I want you to join my team so that I can teach you and you won't make these mistakes. I want you to join my team and succeed. I do not want you to get on board because you heard it from me and I'm like, oh yeah, this is great, and you get on board and you're like, okie dokie then, I don't see the great part here. I just see you being all excited and I don't get it. Okay, so I'm trying to help you get it. Network marketing is about people. People. Okay, it's all about people. It's not about machines. The internet is just an avenue, okay, to build a relationship. So build your relationships and it'll work. Trust me, it'll work. So look at my next videos. I'm going to be posting a lot of videos and helping you out. Join my team. I'm telling you, we are rocking. We are rocking this thing. So I'm gonna see big things this year, and I want you to also. All right, so we'll see you later, and thanks for watching. I really appreciate your time, and I hope this has added value to you and to your network marketing. Take care. Bye.